cyst nematode. You can see this picture image of potato cyst nematode. In here, so many nematodes are involving. That's why I here Globodera species like that, because Globodera pallida like some species available. Damage symptoms are these nematodes have stylet. Can you see this one? This is the stylet. Due to presence of stylet, they are pierce the plant root and absorb the plant sap. Because of that, root system become damaged, so that plant difficult to absorb more water nutrients, so that plant leaves become yellowing and stunting of leaves. This image you can see yellowing of leaves due to the cyst nematode. In the field, patchy-like appearance can see, and also early senescence started because of the cyst nematode infection, and it proliferate the lateral roots. Female can be observed on the tuber surface with less frequency. Potato cyst nematode can control by using Pseudomonas fluorescens. This image you can see stunting of plant. These plants are normal plant. These are the infected plant. Can you see the difference? And here you can see patchy appearance of the cyst nematode because due to the potato cyst nematode infection in the field, you can observe as patchy appearance. Can you see slide?
Yes, Miss, we can see.
Okay. This is the root system affected by the potato cyst nematode. What is the cyst? Cyst is the dead female body of the nematode. It is covered by hard coat. Inside of the potato cyst contain eggs. Normally 200 to 600 number of viable eggs containing inside of the potato cyst. When the suitable climate is come, these cysts will burst and that egg will come out. Then new nematode will emerge from that eggs. This is the picture describe that starting nematode, potato cyst nematode from the eggs. Then after egg hatching, juvenile will come out. Juvenile is the infecting stage of the cyst nematode. Then it damage the root system. They suck the root sap, and then they will reproduce and produce inside the female body, produce nematode eggs. This is the cyst. After dead of female, their body remaining, this is the hard outer cover. Then suitable time come, it will burst and egg will come out and next generation will start. Did you understand? Can you hear my voice?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. If you can't hear my voice because of my unstable internet connection, you can inform me how to manage them. These nematodes are inside the soil. They can survive more than 10 years time. For that, we have to minimize soil movement. If the nematode infected soil move from one field to another field, definitely that nematode cyst also will move from field to field. Then nematode infection will start. So that we have to minimize the soil movement, and also we have to avoid sharing farm machinery, equipment, tools, and containers, because of that tools, equipment also containing some soil particle. That soil particle also cause to start the cyst nematode infection. Uh, we have to rotate crop rotation. We have to go for the crop rotation, because these cyst nematode can infect tomato, potato, like Solanaceae family crops. If we cultivate continuously this potato or tomato like crops in same field, that nematode also uh, nematode emergence also will occur. So that we have to go for the crop rotation, and also nematode resistant cultivars we can use for that. Next next pest is the cutworm in potato. Um, Entomological name is the Agrotis lipsilon. It is belongs to the family Noctuidae. I think you all know Noctuidae family pests. They are coming at the night, no, so that we can manage them by using light trap. No need to memorize. You can think and write this, like this one. Damage symptoms are damaging stage is the larva. Then larva completely cut through the stem. Because of that, plant become wilting, and finally plant become die. And in the tuber, you can see holes in the tuber. How to manage them? We have to deep plow and expose the soil to sun. Then that pupal stage within the soil, no, then that pupal stage become exposed to sun. Then it will wilt and destroy. And also birds will eat that pupal stage. And we can use trap crop like sunflower. Next pest is the potato tuber moth. Entomological name Phytoremia operculella. Here, that moth lay eggs through the soil crack on the developing tubers. Then this pupal stage occur in the soil. This is the adult. What are the damaging symptoms? That larval stage, they are both into the petiole and young shoot or main leaf, vein, and mind the leaf in the initial stage. At the later stage, that larva bores into tuber and making irregular gallery. This picture you can see in galleries they are making while feeding. And on the third tomato tubers in after the harvesting, that feeding begins immediately. Management, we can use pheromone trap, and also intercrop with chili, onion, peas, and avoid shallow planting. By using BT, we can spray for the control tuber moth. Until that, did you understand? Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Now we will go to the disease of potato. Under that, first disease is the early blight. Causal organism is the Alternaria solani. This is important name. You have to memorize this name, Alternaria solani. In here, we also you want to know about symptoms. Some symptoms in early blight. Some are specific for this disease, because here you can see concentric rings like the structure here. Concentric rings mean that inside this damaged part you can see some ring like structure. Brown to black necrotic spots. Brown to black necrotic spots in the leaf. It is characterized by concentric rings. After these spots become enlarged, after enlarged, that spots coalesce and spread to entire leaf. Then it's appear as bull's eye type lesion. It will spread to whole leaf. Then it become as bull's eye appearance. In damaged leaf are chlorotic dehisce and leading to significant defoliation. After severe infection, that leaf become defoliated. Next one, next is the tuber short hole because of light damage. Here you can see sunken irregular lesion found in inside the potato tuber, that damaged area surrounded by purple color borders. Can you see this? And beneath surface of the lesion, leathery or corky tissues with brown color discoloration here, and it is less prone to secondary infection. These infected tubers, after prolonged storage, tuber becomes shriveled. We can manage this one by using disease-free seed tubers, and we can observe at early stage. Then we can remove that infected plant debris, and we can use copper-based fungicide. Next disease is the lead blight. Coastal organism is the Phytophthora infested. This coastal organism also you have to memorize. This is important one. Damage symptoms in Phytophthora infestans. It affects the leaves, stems, and tuber parts. All the parts it will affect. Here, water soft spots appear on leaves, increase in size, and turn purplish brown and end up with black color. In here, you can see that in the leaves damage symptoms, white growth develop on undersurface of leaves, and spread that disease spread to petiole, rachis, and the stem parts also. In tubers, affected tuber show rustly brown necrosis spreading from the surface to the center. Here you can see from the surface to center that disease spreading. Next disease is the scab disease. It falls as common scab or porky scab. Streptomyces scabies is the causal organism. In here, in all the picture, you can see at the outer surface, corky-like structure in outer, like brownish hardy structure. Symptoms are here, raised brown lesions on tuber with corky structure. That structure are raised. While touching, you can feel that one. A superficial roughing area on the tuber, that these scabs are shallow to deep scab and severe in alkaline soil. We can manage that disease from the crop rotation and green manuring, and we avoid the alkaline fertilizer usage. Next disease is the black leg. Causal organism is the disease. Here, infection at two phases is black leg and soft rot. In here, black lesions. You can see in this image, black lesion appear on the base of the plant here, so that that plant root system become damaged. Then it will affect for the plant nutrition uptake, water uptake, so that plant become yellow in the plant, and finally wilt the plant and die the plant. In the tuber, that so because of the soft rot, that tuber become protein and collapse of tuber. You can see here soft reddish or black ring appear on the infected tuber. In this picture, you can see black color in the stem parts and in the infected tuber. Up to now, did you understand? Can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. I will ask some questions up to now. Can you